Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Math Club. Today we have a nice system of equations that is square root of a plus square root of b is equal to 14, and our second equation is square root of a plus b is equal to 10. So here we have to find all possible values of a and b. Let's start our solution. Here it is our equation 1 and it is our equation number 2. Now from equation 1, that is square root of a plus square root of b is equal to 14. Now, by shifting this square root of b to our right hand side, we get square root of a is equal to 14 minus square root of b. Now, here if we just take square on both hand side, so it will be square root of a whole square is equal to 14 minus square root of b whole squared. Now, here on our left hand side, this square is cancelled out the square root, and here we can use algebraic identity, as we know that if we have a minus b whole squared, then it is equal to a squared. Here we have minus 2 times a times b plus b squared. So applying this identity here, then we will get a is equal to, here we have 14 squared minus 2 times 14 times square root of b and times plus square root of b whole square. Here we have plus sign, so cancelling this square with square root, we get a is equal to 14 squared is equal to 196 minus 2 times 14 is 28 square root of b, and here we have plus b. So let's say it is our equation number 3. Now from equation number 2, as it is given that square root of a plus b is equal to 10, here from equation number 2, square root of a plus b is equal to 10. Now taking square on both hand side, then we will get a plus b square root whole square is equal to 10 squared. Now cancelling this square with square root, we have a plus b is equal to 10 squared is 100. Now here we see that from equation number 3, we have the values of a, so putting this value of a in this equation, so we will get a is equal to 196 minus 28 times square root of b plus b, and here we have plus b, so writing here that is equal to 100. Now if we shift this 100 to our left hand side, then we will get 196 minus 100 minus 28 times square root of b, and here we have plus b and it is also plus b, so we will get plus 2b, that is equal to 0. Now 196 minus 100, it is equal to 96, and minus 28 times square root of b plus 2b is equal to 0. So if we just divide this equation by 2, because 2 is a common term on our left hand side, so it will be 48, and minus 2 14s are 28, so we just put 14 square root of b, and here we have only b, that is 0 over 2 is 0. Now let us consider that square root of b, this square root of b is equal to x. So when square root of b is equal to x, then taking square on both hand side, we will get value of b is x squared. So substitute these values here in this equation, then this equation will be that 48 minus 14 times square root of b is equal to x, and plus b is plus x squared is equal to 0. By rearranging this equation, we will get x squared minus 14 times x plus 48 is equal to 0. Now, it is a nice quadratic equation and it is also factorable. So, solving on this one according to factorization method, then we will get, here we have x squared. Here product is 48 and sum is 14. So we can just take the factors like 8 times 6, which is 48. So minus 8 x minus 6x plus 48 is equal to 0. Now taking x is common, then we will get x minus 8 inside bracket, and here if we just take 6 is common, so we have x minus 8. 48 divided by 6 we get 8 is equal to 0. Now x minus 8 is a common factor and other one is x minus 6, which is equal to 0. Here, according to system of equation, x minus 8 is equal to 0 and here x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now here x is equal to shifting minus 8 we get plus 8. So it is first value of x, that is x1 is equal to 8, and here we will get x is equal to plus 6. It is second value of x, but we have to we have to find out the value of a and b. So just recall our supposition here that square root of b is equal to x. So here we have from first one, recall that square root of b is equal to x, but here x is equal to 8, then we have square root of b is equal to 8. Now if we take square on both hand side, then this square is cancelled out with square root. We have value of b, which is b1, that is equal to 8 squared is 64. Now it is the original value of b. Here we have second value, that is x2 is equal to 6. Again recall this equation, so square root of b is equal to x2. Here we have x2 and it is b2, so we will get b2 square root is equal to x2 is 6. Now taking square on both hand side, this square is cancelled out with square root. We get the value of b2, which is 6 squared is 36. Now we have two values of b, and it is easy to find the value of a by using these two values, as we have our equation 3, that is here a is equal to 196, but we can also use a simple and easy equation here, that is a plus b is equal to 100. So recall this equation, a plus b is equal to 100. Now here recall a plus b is equal to 100. Here we have it is b1, so it will be a1. So a1 plus b1 is equal to 64, that is 100, and a1 is equal to 100 minus 64, we get 36. So here we have first value of a. Now we get our first pair, that is a and b is equal to, we have our first pair of values a is 36 and b is 64. Now our second pair of values we will find from this one. So again recall this equation, a plus b is equal to 100. So if b is equal to 2, and then a will be a2. So a2 plus b2 is 36 is equal to 100. Now shifting plus 36 to our right hand side, 100 minus 36 we will get 64. So here value of a2 is 64. Now our second group of values, pair of values, are 64, and here we have 36. So it is our final values, that is final answer of A and B. We see that here the value of A is same as here the value of B in second pair. So we can use any pair for the verification to check our result here. So to check our problem, we have two equations, square root of a plus square root of b is equal to 14. Now our second equation is a plus b whole square root is equal to 10. Here a is equal to 36. So 36 square root plus b is 64 square root. Is it equal to 14? Now 36 square root is equal to 6 and 64 square root is equal to 8. Is it equal to 14? And we have 8 plus 6 is 14. So yes, 14 is equal to 14. Hence our left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we have just proved this pair for our equation number 1. Now just check out this a plus b whole square root is equal to 10. Here we have a is 36, b is 64 whole square root. Is it equal to 10? 36 plus 64 is equal to 100 square root is equal to 10. Now 100 square root is equal to 10 and 10 is equal to 10. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence we have just proved our same values for equation number 2. Now it is our final set of values and it is our answer. I hope you have really liked these steps here. So if you have any problem, you just ask question in comment box. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting content. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.